These are the new tires. I just like how they look. The first one main thing is that on the old tire, it has that silver bead lock. And I'm not really a fan of that. I'm more like the all kind of blacked out look. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So I went out and I bought some new tires for my Traxxas, which if you guys didn't see my previous video, I will link it below so you can check that out. It was the first run I did with the Slash when I bought it. But I went out and bought some new tires. The Pro-line Badlands. I got multiple people telling me how good of a tire these are. So I went out to my local hobby shop and I bought a set. And I'm gonna toss them on here. If you like the videos I make, please do leave a thumbs up on this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and do me a favor, click the subscribe button, and also click on the bell so you'll get notified when I post new videos. These are the new tires. I just like how they look, like just comparing them. First one main thing is that on the old tire, it has that silver bead lock. And I'm not really a fan of that. I'm more like the all kind of blacked out look. And the rims that these Pro-line Badlands come with, I really like. But then just looking at the tread pattern on them, the Traxxas one is kind of more just like a street looking tire. And then looking at the Pro-line, it has like an all-terrain kind of tread pattern to it, which just gives a little bit more of an aggressive look on the truck. Whoops. Look at that. I think it looks pretty awesome. They don't have the body on it yet, but they have that just all-terrain look. It gives it a little bit more of like a truck look, kind of like a monster truck maybe. Yeah, I just like them. They're a lot cooler looking. Let's see how it looks with the body on though. Tell me what you guys think. This is the first little modification I've done to my Slash, with I'm sure many more to come in the future, but this one was pretty cheap and it had some perks to it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, leave a comment, tell me. If you don't like it, leave a comment and tell me why. If you like my videos though, give it a thumbs up. And like I did mention before, if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can see all my future videos. Other than that, this is gonna be it. Till next time, peace.